sklearn Multiclass 1Vs REST Classifier. Description: the 1Vs REST classifier strategy in scikit-learn is a method for handling multiclass classification problems by breaking them down into a series of binary classification problems for each class in your dataset. It trains a separate binary classifier that distinguishes instances belonging to that class from instances belonging to all other classes. Inputs: X feature matrix or array, where each row represents an instance and each column represents a feature. Y target labels or array, containing the true class labels for each instance. Outputs: model a trained 1Vs REST classifier object that can be used to predict class labels for new data. Predictions: predicted class labels for new data instances. Steps: 1. Decomposition. The 1Vs REST classifier strategy divides the multiclass classification problem into a set of binary classification problems for each unique class label in your dataset. It creates a separate binary classification problem where instances belonging to that class are labeled as +1 and all other instances are labeled as -0. 2. Individual binary classifier training for each of the binary classification problems. A binary classifier, e.g., logistic regression, SVC, decision tree classifier, is trained using the selected estimator. 3. Prediction. During prediction, the trained classifiers for each class are applied to the new data. The classifier that outputs the highest confidence score or probability determines the predicted class label for a given instance. Metrics: accuracy, the proportion of correctly classified instances. Precision, the proportion of positive predictions that were actually positive. Recall, the proportion of actual positive instances that were correctly predicted. F1 score, a harmonic mean of precision and recall. Visualization plots. Confusion matrix, a visual representation of the predicted vs. actual class labels. Precision recall curve plots the precision and recall for different thresholds on the predicted probabilities. ROC curve plots the true positive rate sensitivity against the false positive rate one. Specificity at different thresholds. Fine-tune parameters. Estimator, the binary classifier to be used for each binary classification problem, e.g., logistic regression. SVC. Decision tree classifier. N-jobs, the number of jobs to run in parallel. Uncertainty methods. Confidence scores, the 1Vs REST classifier can provide confidence scores, e.g., probabilities for each predicted class label, which can be used to assess uncertainty. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: imbalanced datasets. When classes are imbalanced, the 1Vs REST classifier might favor the majority class. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: you have a data set with 90 instances belonging to class A and 10 instances belonging to class B. The 1Vs REST classifier might make more accurate predictions for class A due to the majority of training data being from that class. Fixes to challenge 1. Data resampling techniques like oversampling the minority class or undersampling the majority class can help balance the dataset. Class weighing, modifying the cost function of the binary classifiers to give more weight to the minority class can address class imbalance. Challenge 2: computational complexity. Training multiple binary classifiers can be computationally expensive, especially for large datasets with many classes. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: you have a dataset with 100 classes and 1 million instances. Training a 1Vs REST classifier with a complex estimator like a support vector machine can take a long time. Fixes to challenge 2. Parallel processing. Utilizing multiple cores or processes can speed up the training process. Simplifying the estimator. Choosing a simpler estimator, such as a decision tree, can reduce computational complexity. Feature selection. Reducing the number of features can also improve training speed.